Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what's blocked. Check your Fortnite server region and NAT type because that determines routing. Once done, disable any local proxy or split tunnel rules so traffic is consistent. Make sure you have admin rights on PC or console, the VPN client installed, and router access. These are essential. Now, connect the VPN to a nearby, low-latency server. Test ping to your region. If latency spikes, try the next server. Keep it under 80 ms for playable results. Once connected, configure the client for gaming. Switch protocol to UDP or WireGuard and enable obfuscation only if proxy detection blocks you. Then open or forward Epic Games ports on your router. This improves NAT behavior and matchmaking. If using a VPN on the router, disable double NAT by setting the router to bridge or using DMZ for the console/PC. Make sure firmware is current, because router bugs often break VPN pass-through. After adjustments, reboot to finish, clear DNS cache and renew your IP so new routes apply. Also remove Fortnite temporary files to avoid cached errors. If problems persist, try an alternate VPN server or selectively split tunnel only Fortnite through the VPN. This reduces overhead. Make sure packet loss is low, and if you still can't join, test without the VPN to confirm where the blockage lies. If needed, capture client and router logs. These show handshake failures and help you or support isolate the exact proxy issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.